Hey there. Have you ever wondered if you can actually talk to someone on Venmo? Like have a real conversation, not just send them money? Well, today, we're going to find out. It might sound a bit strange, but who knows? Maybe there's a secret chat feature we've all been missing out on. Let's dive in and see what we can uncover. Part 1. The basics of Venmo. First things first, let's get a quick refresher on what Venmo is. It's a peer-to-peer payment app, primarily used for sending and receiving money between friends and family. Think of it like digital cash, but with a bit more flexibility. You can link your bank account or debit card and then easily transfer funds to others. But what about talking? Can you actually have a conversation with someone on Venmo? Let's take a look at the app itself. Part 2. Exploring the Venmo app. Okay, so we've opened the Venmo app. The main screen usually shows recent transactions and your balance. But is there a hidden chat feature? Let's start by tapping on a friend's name. Taps on friend's name. Here we go. There's a message button. Could this be it? Let's try it. Taps message button. Great. A chat window opens up. It looks pretty standard. We can type a message and send it. But can we actually have a conversation? Let's test it out. Types a message, hey there. Sends message. Waits for a response. Well, it seems like we can send messages, but can we receive them? Let's see if our friend responds. Part 3. Testing the chat feature. Waits for a response. Friend responds, hello. Reads response. Reacts to response. Wow. It works. We can actually have a conversation on Venmo. That's pretty cool. But can we do more than just chat? Can we send emojis or images? Let's try it out. Sends an emoji. Sends an image. Friend responds with an emoji and image. It seems like we can do pretty much everything we can do in a regular messaging app. This is awesome. Part 4. The benefits of Venmo chat. So, why is this so great? Well, for starters, it's convenient. You don't need to switch to a different app to chat with someone you're already sending money to. It's all in one place. Plus, it can be fun. You can add some personality to your transactions with emojis and images. But there's one downside. Venmo isn't designed to be a full-fledged messaging app. It's primarily a payment app. So, if you're looking for a dedicated messaging app with all the bells and whistles, you might want to look elsewhere. Part 5. Conclusion. So, can you talk to someone on Venmo? Absolutely. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your transactions. But remember, Venmo isn't primarily a messaging app. It's still a payment app first and foremost. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Venmo or anything else tech-related, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech content. Until next time.